Dear students, in the previous video lectures, we discussed about simplification of context-free grammar, CFG, simplification. There we discussed three different types of simplification: useless symbol, epsilon production, and unit production. With these three simplification, we can continue to normal form, that is called Chomsky Normal Form, CNF. CNF is nothing but Chomsky Normal Form. What is this Chomsky Normal Form says? Basically, what do you mean by normal form? It is a standard representation of context-free grammar. Because if you say context-free grammar, you can have different types of grammars. What is that particular meaning? You can have one terminal, two terminal, three variable, one terminal, three variable. Like that, many different types are having. So, when we design a algorithm definition, it is very critical to define. So, Chomsky Normal Form says, bring a standard format. What is the standard format? Number one, your production rule must be one variable should give two variable, two capital letters. This is rule number one. Rule number two, the next production rule should be one terminal, small letter. Whenever you write grammar, if you convert to CNF, Chomsky Normal Form, only two rules allowed. Single letter, that must be small letter, terminal. Double letter, that must be capital letter, variable or non-terminal. You cannot have more than two variables. That is, two variables allowed, one terminal allowed. Can I have three variable? No. Four variable? No. Single variable capital letter? No. Two small letter? No. Other than these two, no other formats accepted. Sometime, in case if language is required, we can have epsilon. It is not epsilon production. In the language itself, if you have A star, there we need one empty symbol, you can have. But start symbol should not be available in right hand side, because sometime A will come this side also. If we start from S, S may come this side also. That is not allowed in Chomsky Normal Form. So, what is the alternative? We will discuss later. Start symbol should not be in RHS. So, make sure that three major issues. Number one, start symbol should not be in right hand side. Number two, it should be of any of these two format. Two capital letter, one small letter. Now, what is the procedure in converting CFG to CNF, context-free grammar, to Chomsky Normal Form? As usual, you know, first do removal of useless symbol, next do removal of epsilon production, next do removal of unit production. Finally, you go for converting given simplified CFG to Chomsky Normal Form, that is two capital letter or one small letter. We will start the problem. Convert given CFG to CNF by proper elimination procedure. Now they have given the problem. Don't start Chomsky Normal Form immediately. First check for is there is any useless symbol, is there is any epsilon production, is there is any unit production. If so, first eliminate that. Now let us see whether useless symbol. Capital letter comes here, is nothing but A is coming here, B is terminated, S is also terminated. Okay, so we can reach A, we can reach B. So I can say there is no useless symbol here. But before that, one thing you should forget. Start state should not be in RHS. Am I right? Capital S is the start state. It is available in the RHS. One simple statement. Okay. Capital S is not allowed in right side. What is our suggestion? Create a new start state S dash. Hereafter, that will be your start state. That's all. For any problem, in case if start state is available in right hand side, do this particular work. S dash gives S. More than enough. Now let me show the rule. S dash gives S. S is nothing but all the stories. Keep everything as it is. S dash gives S. Now, who is the new start state? S dash. Is it S dash is coming in right hand side? No. Problem solved. Now come back to useless symbol. There is no useless symbol here. cleared. And the epsilon production is there, unit production is also there. Now let me start epsilon production. What is epsilon production here? Let us start the work. S gives S dash, S dash gives S, okay. A, S, A. Who is A? B. Who is B? Epsilon. Which means you can substitute in the place of B epsilon, which means indirectly you can substitute in the place of A epsilon. If that is the case, in the place of A, if you put epsilon, SA. In the place of this A, if you put epsilon, AS. Okay, remember. So, as per our discussion in elimination of epsilon, first maintain the term as it is, ASA. In the place of A, if you put SA. In the place of this A, if you put AS. SA, AS. That's what I told. Epsilon can be substituted by B. Okay. All the stories over. Sir, both the place if you put epsilon, here also, here also. Yes, accepted. Very good. Then who is remaining? Yes. Even that also will come here. Next, AB you maintain as it is. And in the place of B, if you put epsilon, who is remaining? A. Okay. So the story is over. Next, A gives B. In the place of B, if you put epsilon, then there is no use because it will be empty term. Okay, remember. And S is as it is. Now you can remove this epsilon. All problems solved. So, epsilon production I have removed. Please remember that. Next story. What is your unit production? Before that, S gives S. What is the use? We can remove this. Okay, I am going to remove. S gives S is a useless. Okay, I removed that. S gives S. Now you go for unit production. There is a unit production here. There is a unit production. There is a unit production. Okay, we will solve one by one. These three are the unit productions. What is that I am going to do? So you remember the substitution. In the place of S, substitute the whole term. That's all I did. In the place of S, substitute the whole term I did. Okay. As it is, I am going to write. In the place of B, substitute small b. Okay, sir. In the place of S, substitute the whole term. Okay, sir. In the place of B, B as it is. Okay. Now, unit production is removed. Okay. Now, we will go to the next stage. Come on, recall. Useless symbol we removed. Epsilon production you removed. Useless symbol, epsilon production, unit production. All are removed. Hereafter, we are going for converting to Chomsky normal form. It's a very simple substitution. If you concentrate, nothing is there. Sir, what are the rule says? 2 capital letter allowed, 1 small letter allowed. Now you tell me, allowed? No sir, not allowed. Accepted, accepted, not accepted sir. 1 small, 1 capital. Accepted, accepted. These are all accepted, not accepted. Okay, whatever may be you know. Now, this is not in Chomsky normal form. Why sir? 3 variables. Only 2 variables are accepted. Now, one simple work I am going to do. What is that work, you know? In the place of SA, put capital X. Or, in the place of AS, you put capital X. Anything you can do as per your wish. Only here, in the place of SA, put capital X. Only here, not here. If you do, it is a trouble. Done. Put capital X here. Put capital X here. Put capital X here. I made it. Now, 3 variables not allowed, 2 variables allowed. Sir, the question is, sir, who is X, sir? Hello, X is equal to SA. That also you write. 2 variables accepted. Now you see, everything is okay except these 3 people. This is not in Chomsky normal form. What I should do, sir? In the place of small letter A, put capital. This is not in Chomsky normal form. In the place of small letter A, put capital Y. Sir, I will put capital Z. Go ahead. That is left to you. So, if I do, available Y, Y, Y. Next, who is Y? Y is nothing but A. Now, this whole grammar is beautiful Chomsky normal form. You see, only 2 capital letter allowed. Single letter means it should be small letter. That's all the story over, sir. Simple substitution, more than enough. VTPS, you know. Variable I wrote. Terminal I wrote. Production rule I wrote. Start symbol. All capital letters are variables. All small letters are terminals. Production rule, start symbol. More than. Let us go to the next problem. Convert given CFG to CNF. As usual, try to find out useless symbol, epsilon production, unit production. Come on. If there is any useless symbol, please tell me. Sir, before that, sir. Start symbol is S. Is it available in right hand side? No. Okay, that good news. It is not said. Otherwise, what you should do? S dash equal to S you should put. Okay, remember. Go ahead. Now, is it any useless symbol, sir? S in the you can reach A. A can be terminated by epsilon or A can be terminated through B. Good news. S is reachable to B. B is reachable and terminated. Okay. So, no useless symbol. Epsilon production is available. Now, we will start epsilon production. Who is epsilon production? A is nothing but epsilon. Okay. Now, what I am going to do? Carefully listen. Keep this term as it is. AA. In the place of A, if you put epsilon, what is the result? A. Hello, that A is available here. So, no need to bother. As it is. Don't think I haven't did anything. Sorry, my dear, I did that work. Come on. AA you keep as it is. In the place of capital A, I substituted epsilon. If I do, what I will get? Small a. It is already available, I don't do. This is as it is. Come on. AA is available as it is. In the place of A, if I put epsilon, who is remaining? A. I made it. Okay, this is one extra term. Remaining, there is no issues. Elimination epsilon is completed. Next, unit production. There is one unit production here. We can do that beautifully. S gives B is a unit production. What I should do? Remove B, substitute the whole story here. I made it. In the place of B, I substitute the whole story. Now, what is the beauty here? This A and this A, it is repeating. One A can be removed. A can be eliminated. If I do, what is the story? That A is eliminated. This is the story. Come on. Useless symbol is eliminated. Epsilon production is eliminated. And the unit production is also eliminated. Now, we can directly go to Chomsky Normal Form. This is not in CNF. 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 Okay. Now, we will start the work. Many are not in CNF. Now, what is your suggestion, sir? Sir, where and all small a, put capital X. This will be solved. This will be solved. This will be solved. Let us go ahead. A equal to X. You can take Y also, anything. Come on. I made it. A is equal to X I made. A equal to X I made. X I made. X I made. Even this is not satisfying, so I made it. Nothing else. Who is X, sir? X equal to A. I made it. Sir, still who is pending? Satisfied, 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 all satisfied, except this person. Now, I can take XB equal to Y or BB equal to Y. It's like now let us take XB equal to Y. If I do, this whole term will become Y. Ready. Now, who is Y? Y is nothing but XB. Okay, I complete. XB equal to Y, I equal to XB. Now, this is required Chomsky normal form. 2 capital letter, 2 capital letter, 2 capital letter. 1 small letter, everything is satisfied. Come on, VT. Go ahead. What is V capital letter? S, A, B, X, Y. Beautiful. What is small letter? A, B. Beautiful. This is production rule P. Good. Start symbol is nothing but S. Beautiful. That's all. With this, I would like to conclude this Chomsky normal form. It is one of the important concepts. Please remember, you should do removal of useless symbol, epsilon production, unit production. After that, try to obey by simple substitution, nothing more than that. Thank you.